So establishing trigonometric identities number 46. So this is the one I've been looking at. What I should have looked at, Matt, was the fact that these two values right here are conjugates of each other, but I didn't see anything squared on the right-hand side, so I didn't go there. So I avoided it, and I went and I turned this into every other thing. I used the reciprocal identity here to make this 1 over sine theta. I used the cotan identity to make this cosine theta over sine theta. The whole time, nothing good is happening whatsoever. So to start out with, this is what I would say. Before you do any trig identity, I would just cross multiply, use means extremes theorem, Sean, just to check. That's all you're doing is just checking. So cotan times cotan is cotan squared theta, and this times this is cosecant squared theta minus 1, and that's one of the Pythagorean identities. So we know this identity is true. Now the question is where to go from there. So what I should have been thinking was conjugate. This is not conjugate like in English, but conjugate. So I should have been thinking of that. And what I should have done was this. I should have gone cosecant theta plus 1 over cosecant theta plus 1. So I'm just multiplying by 1, right? Remember, Victor, that we can't touch the right-hand side at all when we're doing our proof or verifying our identity. When we multiply this, we have difference of squares, so we get cosecant squared theta minus 1 at the top. At the bottom, Andrew, I did not put these two things together. Cosecant theta plus 1. A lot of times in algebra, we're kind of forced to do that. You know what I mean? But this is not algebra, this is trig, so I'm not going to do that crap. I'll leave it like this. Remember, I'm just rewriting the right-hand side. And if you look, Victor, here it is, and this is where I screwed it up for 2 days, was that this is a Pythagorean identity, isn't it? And the Pythagorean identity that it represents is cotan squared theta over cotan theta times cosecant theta plus 1 is equal to all this crap on the other side. Keeping in mind, this is super important, keeping in mind that cotan squared theta, this means cotan theta, doesn't it, times cotan theta. Are we in agreement, Matt? So really important. So what happens between here and here? One of them cancels, right? The one at the bottom goes all the way out, and this one gets decremented by 1, so it goes to cotan theta over cosecant theta plus 1 equals cotan theta cosecant theta plus 1. I guess we should go up and talk about the identities we used here. You don't have to call this, Matt, but here we took this Pythag ID, right? And that's how we got away with this, didn't we? That was really the only one we used, and then we have these equal to each other. All right?